Dear students, I am Dr. S.B. Savarkar, Department of Physics, Sri Shivaji College, Akola. Today, I welcome you all for our sixth lecture. In this lecture, we have to obtain expression for the depression of the cantilever. In the last lecture, we have studied internal bending moment and external bending moment, and today we have to obtain expression for depression of the cantilever. Let us consider a beam which is fixed at one end. OB is a beam which is fixed at one end O and loaded at other end B. This beam is a light beam of uniform cross section. One end O is fixed and load is applied by applying mass capital M at the end B. Let C is the cross section of the beam which is at a distance x from the fixed end, and capital R is a radius of curvature of the neutral surface at point C. The beam is assumed to be light, and hence the neglecting the weight of the part BC of the beam can be neglected. So and let's say small l is the length of the beam. In the previous lecture, we have studied the equilibrium conditions, and in equilibrium condition, internal bending moment is equal to the external bending moment, that is y into I upon R is equal to capital mg into L minus x plus small mg into L minus x by 2. So if beam is a light beam, here the small m is a mass of the part BC of the beam. So if the beam is light beam, so the small m mass of the part BC of the beam can be neglected, and neglecting this component from this bending moment here, we get the expression y into I for in equilibrium condition for the cross section y by r into I is equal to mg into L minus x. This is equation number 1. The total depression of the beam assumed to be small, and hence the 1 by r, that is radius of curvature, is given by d2y by dx square. So putting value of this 1 by r in this equation 1, we have y into I d2y by dx square is equal to capital M G into L minus x. This is equation number 2, suppose. Then we have value of d2y by dx square is equal to mg upon yi into L minus x. This is the equation number 3. Now this equation 3 is the differential equation of the neutral axis after bending takes place. Now integrating this equation 3 with respect to x, we have integration of d2y by dx square, it is dy by dx. We get dy by dx is equal to m is mass attached, capital M is constant, g is constant, acceleration due to gravity, y is a Young modulus in this equation, it is capital Y, this y is a small y, and I is the geometrical moment of inertia into L minus X. L is length of the beam, small x is the distance of the point C from the fixed end. So dy by dx here is equal to mg upon yi into, we are differentiating here, we are integrating this equation. So we have integral of L, it will be L x, and integration of x, it will be x square by 2 x plus constant of integration C1. So we got the Lx minus x square by 2 plus C1 after integrating equation 3. So now we have to obtain the value of constant of integration C1. So at x equal to 0, that when value of x is 0, then when value of x is 0, then tangent of the neutral axis is horizontal, and therefore dy by dx is 0. So when x equal to 0, so dy by dx equal to 0, put dy by dx 0 and x equal to 0 in this equation, then we get value of constant of integration C1, it is equal to 0, and therefore this equation becomes dy by dx into mg into y, capital Y into I, in bracket Lx minus x square by 2. Let it be equation number 4. This is the equation number 4. Say this is equation 4 and this is equation number 5, suppose. Now this equation here, dy by dx, equation number 5, gives the tangent of the angle which the tangent to the neutral axis at point CXY, at point C, coordinates are XY, at CXY makes with the positive direction of the x-axis. Here depression is taking place, beam is clamped horizontally along x-axis, and so bending is taking place along y direction. Here to find out the depression y of the neutral axis at point CXY, to find out the depression of the beam at point CXY. So we have to again integrate this equation 5 with respect to f. Then we have y, dy by dx, integration of dy by dx, it is y, small y is equal to capital mg upon this capital Y, Young modular, into moment of inertia, in bracket integration of Lx, it is L x square by 2, Lx square by 2 minus integration of x square, it is x cube by 3, it means x cube by 3, 3 into 2, it will be x cube by 6 plus constant of integration C2, the constant of integration C2, where this value of constant of integration C2 can be obtained by considering when x equal to 0, y will be equal to 0, x equal to 0. Here when x is 0, then depression, the y, displacement along y direction of the beam, y equal to 0. So value of, by putting x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in this equation, then we get C2 equal to 0, and therefore we got the expression for y as mg upon yi into L x square by 2 minus x cube by 6. This is the equation number 6. This is equation number, say, 6. Or if we take common from this equation x square by 6, then we get mg into x square is taken common, mg x square upon x square, we are taking x square by 6 common, so here it will be 6 capital YI in bracket, what will remain here? 3L minus, here it will be 3L x, 3L minus x. It will be, this is not equation, it is this equation number 6, suppose. This is equation number 6. So, this equation gives the depression of the neutral axis at point CXY, at point C, depression of the neutral axis at point CXY. Let delta represent the maximum depression of the beam at the loaded end. If delta is a maximum depression of beam at the loaded end B, then we have, if we put in this equation, say when the x equal to L, here x equal to L, maximum depression y, small y will be maximum, that is y equal to delta, and therefore from this equation we get depression y, maximum depression is represented by, say, delta equal to mg x square means L square divided by 6 capital Y I, 6y I in bracket 3L minus L, 3L minus L. So delta is equal to mg L square divided by 6y capital YI into 3L minus L. It will be 2L. So we get delta equal to depression, maximum depression, delta equal to mg L cube upon 3yi. This is equation number 7. Delta equal to mg L cube upon 3yi. This is equation number 7. This equation number 7 gives the depression of the neutral axis OB, depression of neutral axis OB at the loaded end, at the loaded end. Now this is the expression for the depression of the maximum depression delta of the loaded end of the long thin cantilever. Now there are two cases. First case is for the beam of the rectangular cross section, beam of rectangular cross section having breadth B and thickness D, and another one is for beam of circular cross section. So let us discuss the case 1 for the beam of rectangular cross section. Case 1, beam of rectangular cross section of breadth B and thickness D. B is a breadth and D is a thickness of a beam, and for the beam of rectangular cross section, the having breadth B and thickness D, the geometrical moment of inertia I of the cross section about an axis through its center and parallel to the breadth B, moment of inertia I will be given by, in this case of the beam of rectangular cross section, I is equal to BD cube by 12. So if we put this value of I in this equation 7 to obtain the expression for depression delta of the beam of rectangular cross section, so we get here delta, depression delta is equal to mg L cube divided by 3yi. I means here BD cube by 12, BD cube by 12, or delta is equal to mg 12 mg L cube upon 3y BD cube. 3y BD cube. So here 3 get cancelled with this 12 and we have delta. We get delta equal to 4mgl cube, 4mgl cube upon ybd cube. This is the equation number 8. So this is the expression for the depression delta of the beam of a rectangular cross section, and the expression for, we can also write the expression formula for the Young modulus for the beam of rectangular cross section here. If we transfer capital Y, Young modulus on the left side, we have Y is equal to 4 mgl cube divided by the BD cube delta, BD cube delta. This is equation number 9. So this is the equation 9 is the expression for the 4 mgl cube upon BD cube delta. It is the expression for the Young modulus for the beam of the rectangular, Young expression for the Young modulus of the beam of rectangular cross section. For the beam of case number 2, case 2, for the beam of circular cross section, beam of circular cross section of radius r, say radius r, the geometrical moment of inertia I of the cross section about its diameter will be I is equal to here pi r to the power 4 upon 4. And now if we put value of I in this expression for delta, equation number 7, we get the expression for the depression of the beam of circular cross section of radius r. So delta will be equal to delta mg L cube divided by 3y into I. I means here moment, geometrical moment of inertia pi r to the power 4 upon 4. So delta equal to 4 mg L cube, 4 mg L cube upon 3 pi y r to the power 4. So this is the expression for the depression of the beam of the circular cross section. Let it be equation number 10. So this is the expression for depression of the beam of circular cross section of the radius r. Let us stop here. Thank you.